Machine vision systems. Types, functions, and applications. This video takes an in-depth look at machine vision systems. Watch further and learn more about what are machine vision systems, components of machine vision systems, types of machine vision systems, functions performed by machine vision systems, applications of machine vision systems, and much more. Chapter 1. What exactly are machine vision systems? Chapter 2. What are the components of machine vision systems? Lighting and machine vision systems. Backlighting. Diffuse lighting. Partial bright field lighting. Dark field lighting. Machine vision lenses. Image sensor. Vision processing unit. Communication system. Chapter 3. What are the different types of machine vision cameras? Line scan camera. Area scan camera. (3D scan camera). Optical comparator versus machine vision system. Frequently asked questions. What is a machine vision system and why is it important in manufacturing? Which components make up a typical machine vision system? How does lighting affect machine vision inspections? What is the difference between area scan and line scan cameras? How do machine vision systems compare to optical comparators in industrial inspection? Chapter 4. What is hyperspectral imaging? Uses for hyperspectral imaging machine vision systems. Industries that incorporate hyperspectral imaging into their machine vision systems include pharmaceutical industry, food production, construction materials, medical imaging, Chapter 5. What functions are performed by machine vision systems? Machine vision systems offer cutting-edge and efficient solutions by automating tasks frequently carried out in industrial processes. Presence inspection. Machine vision systems utilize the following image processing techniques. Binary processing. Blob analysis. Additional techniques for image processing and analysis include practical positioning. Machine vision identification. Flaw detection. Detecting through measurement. Chapter 6. What are some applications of machine vision systems? Machine vision systems have a wide range of practical uses across various industries. Some of the key industry-specific applications include food, pharmaceutical, and consumer products. Semiconductor quality control. Automotive and the machine vision system. Chapter 7. What is machine vision system design? Camera selection. Spatial resolution. Image resolution. Imaging rate. Lens selection. Lens format. Optical resolution. Magnification. Light source. Final evaluation. Evaluation references should include summary. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right machine vision system manufacturers for your needs.